Check it out. Arrowana, silver Arrowanas. It's about a 5-inch silver Arrowana. What's going on, everyone? Tim with Tim's Fish Shop here. All right, so we're gonna dive into an unboxing. But first, real quick, here is a look at the semi-updated fish room. So, added a whole new rack on the side. Got that rack back there that I need to redo. It's just a couple tanks and some rainbow shiners. Got 4 tanks, 2, 4, 6, 7. 125 and some more down there. This one's being torn apart right now. And this one is getting redone as well. So eventually this is gonna move right here. So I'll have this free for the most part, and maybe I could add in more water. But there's that. So I'm gonna show you the rest of the unboxing right now. So I'm gonna try to do this one-handed since I don't have my camera with me right now. But let's see what we got. Alright, we have a couple oddballs today, which I'm happy about. Ghost knife fish. I love these guys. These are probably some of my favorite fish. They are just so cool looking. Alright, so that's one. And I got 3 of these guys. Check it out. Arrowana, silver Arrowanas. It's about a 5-inch silver Arrowana. So I will be posting these on the site, but these are awesome. Alright, what else did I get? These are, I think these are the silver, or I'm sorry, the blue variegated guppies, but they are not colored up right now because they've been in transport. Got another Arrowana, silver Arrowana, beautiful. These are some Bichers, Bashirs, really cool. Love these guys. Got some Ember Tetras that are gonna go up for sale. They need to color up and make sure they're clean and we'll be good. You guys see what these are? Yeah. There we go. Midnight Medaka. So these are black Medaka. Love these guys. Medaka are some of my favorite fish. So hardy, resilient, hurting, but these are Celestial Pearl Danios, also known as Galaxy Rasbora. These look clean. Got a bunch of these. These are really pretty. So if you guys like nano tanks, these do great in them. And when they color up, they get orange and reddish. So those are awesome. These are the neon blue guppies. I had a lack of blue in my shop, so I'm gonna add some. Once these guys color up and make sure they're all clean, I'll treat them, then they'll go on the website. The second Arrowana, beautiful. Third Arrowana, a little bit smaller, but gorgeous nonetheless. So those will be on the website too. And these were the green Moscow guppies. So they're gonna color up soon and then I will put them on the website, but I'm gonna treat them and then you guys will get a opportunity to purchase them. So check them out. And I think I already did this, but black ghost knives, my favorite. So So there you have it, another unboxing. I'll be posting these on the website, so you can see it at timsfishshop.com. Check in the description, there's a link there. As always, I appreciate all your support. It's been a great 2022. Let's make it an even better 2023. Just like, subscribe, and comment if you want. I really appreciate it. Your guys' subs help. Almost at 1,000, which would be cool. And yeah, just look out for the new Tim's Fish Shop 2.0 video coming out soon, and hopefully I'll have all my tanks going. But as you guys know, a lot of them cracked in the winter storm because they were outside because I'm a dummy. So hopefully I'll get some more to replace those. Anyways, appreciate it. Tim's Fish Shop, out.